In a tranquil village tucked beside the majestic hills stood a peculiar cave. It appeared ordinary, but the villagers believed it possessed a unique power, the echo of truth. This cave didn't just repeat words, it reflected the true intentions within you. One day, a greedy merchant arrived, selling fake gold at inflated prices. "Pure gold," he shouted. But when he passed the cave and repeated the lie, the cave echoed, "Fake gold! Lies for profit!" Everyone froze, their eyes wide as the truth was revealed. The merchant panicked, dropped his goods, and fled. But later, overcome with shame, he returned to the cave. Standing before it, he confessed, "I was wrong." The echo replied, "He speaks the truth." From that day, the cave stood as a silent guardian of honesty,